Welcome to this course. There will be 3 modules that will be covered in this course. First, we'll start off with the Kali Linux, then we'll go to the Python lectures and then JavaScript. So, first of all, we'll start off with the Linux. We'll see how to install it, how to interact with the Linux commands. Then after, we'll see how we can install the Kali Linux. We'll see how we can use the applications that is provided with the Kali Linux. We'll see how to hack and crack the password with the Aerodump NG. We'll see man-in-the-middle framework. We'll learn how to use the plugins that is provided by the man-in-the-middle framework with the application that is Wireshark. We'll make our complete backdoor. We'll just hack our client, file system and entire system with the help of Whale framework and Beef framework. So after we complete Kali Linux section, we'll see how to remain anonymous in the hacking process. We'll see how to use Tor browser, we'll see its interface, the commands, and we'll completely host website with the help of Tor network. And after that, we'll make an application that will change the MAC addresses. We'll also learn how to remain anonymous with the proxy chains and VPN servers. After we just complete it, we'll see the timeline that will be covered all the entire Kali Linux section. We'll also learn about the commands and how to remain anonymous with the help of VPN and proxy chains. After that, we'll just jump to the Python lectures. We'll see how to install Python, the basics of Python, and we'll make a complete port scanner with the help of Python. We'll see how we can make the malware and the keylogger with the help of Python language. We'll see the socket programming, which will give us entire backdoor. We'll just communicate with the client. We'll just get every information that the client has with the help of socket programming. We'll just make use of Python in order to code so that we can have entire access to the client. After that, we'll just move to the web hacking, where we'll just make use of a JavaScript. So we'll not entirely go directly to the Burp Suite, but first we'll see commands and the basics of a JavaScript. Then only we'll install the Burp Suite. We'll see live hacking on the websites. We'll just get informations. We'll just get the attacks like cross-site scripting, URL redirection, HTML injection in a live website. We'll also make complete keylogger with the help of JavaScript. So these are the some highlights that will be covered in this course. So first we'll start with the Kali Linux hacking. You can see we'll see man-in-the-middle framework, Wireshark, Beef and a Whale framework. After that, we'll see how to remain anonymous in the hacking process. Then we'll see complete Python package, where we'll learn how to make backdoor, keylogger, malware, port scanner and the web crawler. So these are basically highlights. We'll go deep down under this Python lecture. We'll just make a bunch of keyloggers and bunch of backdoors that will give entire access to the client. Then we'll go to the JavaScript, where we'll uncover XSS, URL redirection, HTML injection and a keylogger.